Hello, everyone. This is week one. Our topic for this week is object pronouns. And let's start. Okay. As we know, or as you studied before, uh, in relation to pronouns, you were studying subject pronouns. The main characteristic of subject pronouns is that they are used at the beginning of the sentence or essentially before the verb, as we have, for example, in this example. She got Nathan's message. As you can see, the subject, in this case, she, is used before the verb. So that's the main characteristic. You're going to find out the personal pronouns before the verb. And in this lesson, we are going to check the object pronouns. Object pronouns are used after the verb. So let's look at this example. It says, Nathan left her a message. Okay, so as you can see, we can put in this place any of the object pronouns, and notice what they are used, or one of them is used after the verb. In this case, left. In that case, you can recognize which is the correct or which pronoun you're using in each case. And also, when we have to produce a sentence, you know which verb where the verb is, so you can use the object pronoun or the personal pronoun, okay, if it is after the verb or before the verb. So the object pronouns we have are, in the case of I, we have me, you, him, her, us, them, and we can repeat again here, you. Remember that you can be used for singular form or plural form. And another one that is missing here is the use of it, which the object pronoun is very similar. It, okay, is the same. Now, what are we going to do with this? Well, just practice. Okay, the idea is that, remember, you have to use the object pronouns after the verb. The object is the receiver of the action. When you talk about Nathan and Nathan left her a message, in that case, we have two objects. You said two objects. What is that? Well, after the verb, we have the object pronoun. And then we have a message. What did Nathan leave? A message. And who got the message? Who received the message? A lady, right? In this case, somebody we don't know here, right? But what about if Nathan left me a message? So I am the receiver of the action. I benefit from the action. And what is he sending? What is he leaving? A message. That is the second object. Okay. Nathan at the beginning is the performer of the action, the doer of the action. That's why we can substitute Nathan by he, one of the subject pronouns. Yeah. But the person who benefits from the action, it's me, it's you, it's him, it's her, it's us, it's them. Okay. So that's why we use an object pronoun. We have another example. Um, she gave me some candies. Who did the action? She, right? So she's at the beginning. It's a subject pronoun. What did she give? Candies. It's an object. It's after the verb gave. Okay, I was using give in past tense. And who gets the candies? Who receives the candies? Me. So I benefit from the action. I'm the one who receives the object, in this case, the candy. So both objects are after the verb, after give. And if I have to use a pronoun, I have to use an object pronoun. So it's not correct to say she gave I, she gave he, she gave they. Incorrect. Remember that the personal pronouns are before the verb and the object pronouns after the verb. In this um, in this video, you will find out the presentation, part of the presentation you have later in the material. One of them is this exercise. In here, you have to include one personal pronoun or one object pronoun to complete the conversation. So keep working hard and see you next week.